Hey everyone, welcome to CyberTheo. Today, I'll show you how to quickly share your location on WhatsApp. Let's get started. Open WhatsApp and go to the chat where you want to share your location. Tap on the attachment icon, paperclip, next to the text box. Select location from the menu that appears. You may need to grant WhatsApp permission to access your location. Choose Share Live Location to let the recipient track your location in real time for a set duration, or tap Send Your Current Location to send a static location pin. For live location, select the duration, 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours, and add a comment if you want. Then, tap the Send button. Your location is now shared. The recipient can see your location on a map in real time or as a static pin, depending on your choice. And that's it. You've successfully shared your location on WhatsApp. For more quick tech tips, don't forget to like and subscribe to CyberTheo.